Hello, in this video I want to show you how to factory reset your Google Nest Wi-Fi. And to do this, you will need to make sure that it's powered on, so it's connected to the cable and also has this LED lamp right here. Now to perform the factory reset, look on the bottom, here's a button, hold that button for 10 seconds until the LED lamp right here flashes in orange. After that, it should turn on solid blue, and that means the factory reset is complete, and we can let go of the button. So let's try it. So it's not solid blue, but solid white. Sorry, that was my mistake. And now the factory reset is complete. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.